How to accept PayPal pending money. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now, of course, first things first, you want to navigate through the official website of PayPal, and once inside, you then want to open up the account that you have the pending payment of. Once inside, you can just go ahead and navigate through the activity section right here, and once inside, there will be a category that says on hold. You can just go ahead and navigate through that category, and from there you can then go ahead and see the payments on hold. Now the question is, why is your payment on hold? If we then navigate through this page right here, that is from PayPal itself. This is basically saying that PayPal is very strict with this different types of things right here. For example, if you are a new seller or on PayPal, or an established seller who has opened a new website, maybe you haven't sold in a while, multiple customer reported problems or requested funds. Well, you can just go ahead and click on this button right here about how can you release these payments. Now once inside this page, you can just go ahead and do the steps right here, and in some rare cases, after these steps are completed, they still need to hold up to 21 days. For example, this can happen if they notice an unusual change in your selling patterns. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.